all about how you can create your own book on Amazon. Hope you guys tune in and join the gang.
If it ain't authentic, I don't want it. It's a family thing. Here with the Macher gang. It's a family thing. Here with the Macher gang. I know you wanna come and hang. We got Sade, Marcus, Leah, Shad, Yara, they all in my heart. Yeah, it's a family thing. Here with the Macher gang. Gang.
What's up, gang? Welcome back to another video with the Macher gang. If you are new to our channel, make sure that you subscribe so you can join the gang. Also, this video today is going to be very valuable, and I need you guys to take out your pen and notepad so you can take some notes if you definitely want to make a book for yourself. This video will be all about how to create your own book on KDP.com, Amazon, to create your own children's book or just a book in general. All right, so sit back, relax. Well, don't relax too much because you got to take these notes. Get ready for this video. Let's get right into it. One of the first things that you want to do is go to kdp.amazon.com and create you an account. And guess what, guys? It's completely free. This $1 million platform is able to jumpstart your author's career. So listen in. I have 3 main things that you should do before you start. First things first, already have your title picked out. Second, have your illustrations digitalized and in JPEG format. Third is to have your manuscript edited and downloaded in PDF format before you try to upload anything onto your KDP. And remember to be creative and to not be so hard on yourself. It took me 12 manuscripts to get the perfect one, so it will take some time, but I know that you can do it. There's different versions that you can do. Here's the Kindle version and the steps that you would have to take for the Kindle version. But I did paperback route, so I'm going to walk you through the steps of what you would have to do if you did upload a paperback copy of your book and what it entails for you to start your paperback book. It goes down to each and every step, from the language to the book title to this. If you wanted a series, if it was a chapter book. Also, it does have the description that will be displayed on the Amazon website. So make sure that it's good and eye-catching, and it can give a brief synopsis of what the book is going to be about. Once you complete all of this stuff and fill out everything that it's asking for you to fill in, you will get an error message if you are missing something. So make sure that you take your time and follow each and every step accordingly so that your book can be perfect. This is something that is going to be displayed for the world to see eventually. Everything saved, you move on to the next step, which is your paperback content. Here, you are able to really format your book the way that you want to. The next major step is assigning your ISBN. ISBN stands for International Standard Book Number, which is basically your book social security number. This number will be displayed on the back of your book. The great thing about creating a book with Amazon KDP is that they assign you this ISBN number for free. The lowest out-of-pocket cost that I found was around $180. This is another free feature from KDP. This number is only related to your book only. So if anyone looks up that number, it's going to display your book and your book only. This will go whether it is a paperback copy or a hard copy. They will have 2 different ISBN numbers, but they both will be yours. The next step is going to be creating your cover. So they have a cover creator website that you can use to upload your own picture, your own cover, like I did. Created mine with a different website and uploaded mine on here, or you can just use the tools that the cover creator provides for you. It has different backgrounds that you can upload on here, and it also has different formats that you can make your book. Whether that is a chapter book or a regular paperback book, you can definitely create each and every element to be the way that you want it to be. It has different tabs that you have to click on in order to move on to the next step. If you get an error message, it is because you are missing something that needs to be filled in. In order for this message to go away, you have to fill out everything to a T, save it, and move back along to your next step. The next step from here is going to be saving everything that you have here, uploading your manuscript, and then you're going to be able to move along to the next step. When it's saved, you'll get a green check mark, and it'll tell you to launch your previewer so you can view your book. Then it will move you along to the next step. which is pricing. You'll be able to price your book the way that you want to. Also, do your research. Search different books that's in the same category as your book and to be able to see what are they selling their books for, so you can get a general idea of what you want your book to sell for. I almost forgot. You guys, once you create your book, KDP does have a report page and is able to track every single book that is sold on each and every day. It adds up your royalties, so when you set your pricing for your book, you'll be able to see the amounts that you'll get back for each and every book sold. Those are called royalties, and royalties never run out. You'll be able to accumulate royalties for the rest of your life as long as your book continues to sell. If you want to join our gang, subscribe to our channel, leave us a huge thumbs up, ring that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Also, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching.
Bye, gang!